how to convert video to audio in InShot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your InShot app and then tap on video. Now you can either choose a new video from your gallery or you can work on the projects. So I'm working on my draft project. So this is the video that I want to convert into audio. So you will see various icons. Tap on the audio icon and then uh, tap on the video on the bottom and you will find extract audio option. Tap on it and you can see that the video has been converted into audio. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.